What's up, guys? Okay. Update time. 9:19 p.m. It's the third clip. Because I already did 2 clips when I was in the bathroom. But yeah. How you guys doing? Doing okay? I'm doing fine. Just yeah. Well. Guys, update time. It's 9:21 p.m. It's the 4th clip. So today is, I don't know, it's another weird day. We had seafood. It was really good and spicy a little bit to me because I want to know. And I might switch. No, I am going to switch my bed around tomorrow because I need to switch it around. I don't like it. So I might as well switch it around. Move things around. I'm going to switch it. Yeah. Anyway, see you guys. What's up, guys? Update time. 9:22 p.m. It's the 5th clip, last clip of the hour. So I'm done. I'm trying to finish this. The whole time, I had a Gatorade. Like, what? I forgot I had it once. But I'm gonna go. The clock. I'm gonna end the vlog at 11. So yeah. See you guys at 10. Guys, update time. It's 10:02 p.m. First clip. How you guys doing? You guys doing great? I'm doing great. Not fair. So I just got done editing. Now it's exporting. It's almost done. And then after that, I gotta upload it and then advertise it, and then I'm done with that vlog. I'm telling you, I was not going to vlog today. I was going to vlog tomorrow, Anyways, I have my tablet with me all the time, so I might as well just vlog on that tablet. Vlog. And you know what I mean. But yeah, so look at this. It's time. I don't know what time it is. It is 10:03 p.m. and it's the second clip. So yeah, I'm just Why is this? Don't have Facebook Messenger on my phone. I decline. No. I'm not gonna buy nothing. Okay, anyways, I got that. Guys, update time. It's 10:04 p.m. It's the 3rd clip. So, I'm trying to hurry up. I'm doing 5 clips. And then 7 clips. And then last one. No. Actually, I'm doing 3 clips last one. But yeah. I just don't feel like, vlogging today. Get your fuck up. Yeah. Yeah. It's 10:06 p.m. It's the 4th clip. I got God, why you guys cannot see my face at all? It's retarded. I have to this has to be up here like this. Like, it's really, 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 I don't know. Okay, that's enough of looking at stuff for today. Okay, I'm trying to get to 3,000 followers on there. It's taking forever to get it on there. I don't know how my friend feels. Got to 4,000. Like, what the fuck? The fuck? Pissing me out. Okay, about to go. It's 10:07 p.m. It's the 5th clip. So, actually I'm gonna go to 7 clip on this one. I thought I was gonna go to only 5, but I'm gonna go to 7. And then, yeah, then I'm gonna wait until 11. Then I'm gonna finish the vlog out with 3 clips. And then all that stuff, so don't know what else. This hood is like divided, so I don't know. But yeah, look. Damn. See? It's almost done. I got up to export that. Okay, so anyways, I gotta go. So the time. It's 10:09 p.m. and it's the 6th clip. Oh my god, almost like it. 6th clip, and yeah. Get your both up. Get you got it. Get your up. I was so rude to these two guys, but they're bugging me. All they want to talk about is sex. Like, don't. Because you get blocked. Don't want to do that, but you will get blocked. But, yeah. That's how I feel. And stuff, so, anyways. I'm about to go see you guys in the next clip. What's up, guys? Hopefully time it's 10:10 p.m. and it's the 7th clip, last clip of the hour. This is ridiculous. This is so ridiculous. I'm trying to vlog and everything, and I'm going to like really vlog a lot, you guys. And if you guys could see, you can see my breath. That's how cold. Okay, my hot breath. But yeah, I'm telling you, my hot breath, like for real, like you could definitely see it. Okay. I don't even know. Hopefully I get more money on my card. Hopefully they heard my message and they put money on my card, because that will be absolutely killer. I'm gonna have to go because this needs to be charged, and I'm watching my vlog. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna be watching all my vlogs all night long. See you guys next clip at 11, and that's when I'm gonna vlog. Yeah. What's up, guys? I'll do it. What time is it? It's 11:02 p.m. It's the first clip. Closing the vlog out. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Hope you guys to subscribe, like, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram, Kristen9, TikTok, Kristen9. That's all you guys do. See you guys tomorrow, another day vlog. My highs and lows. technically I don't have a low, but my high is I'm really excited for vlogging this week. All week. I'm so excited because yeah, I'm really excited. And yeah, those are my highs and lows. But yeah, I don't know. Other I'm tired, but that's always low. But yeah. Anyways, alright guys. What's up guys? Update time. It's 11:03 p.m. It's the second clip. So I'm only doing 3 clips, and yeah, tomorrow it's gonna be a long vlog. I'm gonna do a long vlog and everything, so you guys will have that. And I don't know. I have a very long vlog till tomorrow. Tomorrow. But I'm gonna be very carefully edit this vlog tomorrow because it's gonna be a good one. I hope it is. I don't know about you guys. You guys say you love my vlog, so I got three views already on my newest one. It's up right now. You guys can go watch it. But yeah. Complete time. 11:04 p.m. is the third clip, last clip of the hour, day, done. Okay, so starting tomorrow, I really want to do like an hour long. I want to go to like 4 o'clock to 4:30, or like every hour. I think I'm gonna start that. I'm gonna start it. I'm just like, I don't know. It's hard. But yeah, it's harder here for a black girl. I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to think of what I'm gonna do in these vlogs. I have everything right. I'm going to start just like do stuff in the vlog because I miss doing that. I miss doing that a lot, and I'm gonna start doing my food when I do have food, when I do eat. I'm gonna show you guys that. So I'm gonna start doing that too. Yay! Anyways, I'm about to go. See you guys in the next clip. Stay tuned. Bye.